Symantec is a global leader in the cybersecurity space. We allow businesses, organizations, and customers to secure their most important and valuable information. Before the PLM implementation, it was multiple business applications, complex processes scattered across various groups, various business units, and various tools. That was one of our biggest challenge. When we looked at the product offering from Oracle, we really liked the cutting edge technology Oracle is offering from a cloud PLM perspective. After the cloud PLM implementation, the life is so cool. Now we only have one intake process, one centralized application. The greatest benefit of the cloud PLM implementation is it reduced our end-to-end lead time from 3 to 4 weeks into 3 to 5 business days. It simplified the end-to-end process for all our business owners. With the significant reduction in our SKU release timelines, now it allows us to invest more time to build and develop more quality products for our customers. My experience with Oracle last 20 years is it has tremendously changed, being it from a technology perspective, our product offerings perspective, our innovation perspective. Oracle never stops innovation.